Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at salad sardine from Mauritius or sardine salsa. So get some good quality sardines. This one's in olive oil, extra virgin. Grab one onion, this is a red one. Grab a couple of tomatoes, these are Romas, but you can use salad ones as well. Grab a couple of green chillies. And just to note, the one on the left is fresher than the one on the right. Tell me in the comments how I know this. Nicely chopped up, ready to go. Salt if you want that. Get some French baguettes in the oven. Drain the oil. Keep some if you wish, but add all your ingredients. Give it a good mix. There you go. Let it soak for a couple of minutes. And those fresh sardines bring back memories of the past. Very nostalgic. Brings back memories of the sea, and friends and family. Eating this kind of food very simply. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see next.